Hey everyone, it's Veda back with a second reading for July 18th, Thursday. I don't know what time it is. I think it's a little bit after 12 p.m. It's quieted down around the house, so I figure let's jump back into it, see what's going on. I am picking up the energy of Humpty Dumpty falling off the wall and someone really wanting to rebuild themselves. So let's see what we get. You could be feeling some pulling on your energy. Let's get one more card. Oh, yes, definitely. The Fool, number 54. Something is going on in your life that is so obvious you are ignoring the impending danger. You could be in emotional or physical danger. Wake up and do what you must. So 54 or 45. This energy is only coming out when there's something going on with 45 in the global spectrum. So I don't know what this is about. Well, I do, and you do, but we're not going to get into it here too much. Let's keep going. Interesting times we're living in. A lot of sellouts. You could feel like you're surrounded by sellouts. Someone sold you out, sold you down the river because you walked away from them. 28 here. Walking away from a difficult situation. Even though you are starting over, be patient. That's that Humpty Dumpty falling off the wall energy. It just came out of nowhere. So this is something that's been someone has been ignoring something. They know that if they don't walk away, that there could be a serious ending here. There's a clean sweep, something about sweeping away debris. You have to be patient, or your patience has run out. At times it is wiser to walk away than to stay in a situation. Your actions, H-C-H-O-N-S, actions. What the hell is that? Actions. What? H-C-H-O-N-S-S-N-O-H-C-A. Happiness is coming. I don't know what that was about. That your actions will actions. All right. Well, I don't know what that is. Chans. Well, this is annoying. I kind of want to shut the camera off, but I'm going to just keep going. I don't mind when I look silly. Sometimes we have to look foolish in order to get to the bottom of things. So this is about, Achons. This is some vampire. These are vampires. These are vampires. You know you're dealing with a vampire. They've already got your blood on their teeth. They want more. Someone wants more of your blood. You're gonna look like a fool when you walk away from whatever this is, but it doesn't matter. You gotta walk away. Someone's already got your blood on their teeth. They want more. They're not she's Louise, God dog. Balance. Number 6, you may find it difficult to maintain emotional balance because someone or something in your life is creating obstacles, a need for change, realignment. So whatever this is, you know what it is. So someone's got to take the blinders off. Someone has to just accept that, I'm about to make a really big decision. I'm going to look foolish, but you got to be able to breathe, okay? Somebody needs to breathe. Here we've got danger, 29. Boots on the ground. Look at that, boots on the ground. There's a weapon at the... this is terrible. You may find yourself in a dangerous situation with a person. Wait, you are about to make an emotional decision and it must be a logical choice. Meditate and seek solution. Now see, here's the thing. It must be a logical choice. No. Sometimes if danger is all around you and your intuition is telling you, screaming to move, to get out of the way, but you stay there because you need to make the logical choice. So this is, something is ass backwards right now in the collective energy. But you got to move away from it. Someone's in hiding or they're trying to hide. right? Someone's not being seen yet. These boots on the ground have missed their target. You see with this weapon here, the head here. The next shot will get closer, something like that. Oh my gosh. Innocence, number 15, a time when you are open to new ideas and an opportunity to build a new life may indicate a move. Finding the child within, a time to play. Do not take things so seriously. So we're getting some different messaging coming through here. Move, don't move. Think logically, don't think logically. So child, but move. So someone could have a child. They feel the need to take this child and move away. Someone feels that their life could be threatened. Someone's been threatened. Someone had to make a decision based on a threat. They regret that decision. Let's keep going. There's a lot of interesting things happening. The Fool, taking that leap. You know what you must need to do. Someone needs to wake up. Someone needs to wake up and see who they're surrounded by. Why is 45 here? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, Lord have mercy. I'm not staying in this energy long. I can tell you right now. 22, official person. It's in the upright. What's this? What do we think this is? Child. Someone's being betrayed by their child. Oh, what's at the bottom? Courtship. Followed by change. Someone took some advice from their child who is in an official position. It wasn't the right decision to make. Someone's heartbroken. Someone's child this is heartbreaking for someone, a parent, someone who is in an official position. Number 22, 2245, the 22nd day, the 18th day. I need to get to the bottom of this. So 18 plus 22 is 40. Something about the number 40. Here we've got main male. 1. Someone feels overshadowed. There's a child that feels overshadowed, masculine by their father. They don't like it. They want to be seen. They want to take charge. This message isn't for everybody, for sure. Don't take it if it doesn't resonate. There is a child involved. Something about your childlike wonder, though. Finding the child within. Someone is upset that you found the child within. You're doing things differently. You're not listening. Magistrate. Something about magistrate. Walking away. Walking away. Making that hard choice. Being Humpty Dumpty, falling off the wall. We've got mature man, number 5, Hierophant energy coming through. So this is about walking away from a plan that was supposed to work, but there's a vampire that was able to sink their teeth into someone's neck. They drew blood, but here we've got journey, walking away, taking a new path, forging ahead. It's a difficult time for someone. Someone knows that you are going to win. They're upset that you're winning. They want to stop you. They want to draw more blood. Danger. Why is this danger card here? So there's some danger that you've already averted. You could think that it's over. It's coming back around. Again, keep in mind, we're dealing with some very chaotic energies at this time, planetary energies. There are some people that are literally operating out of bodies that they have no control of. There's been some sort of takeover. Going back to that ACHONS energy. I feel like that's also an acronym for something. ACHONS. NS, something about NS. Non-strategic, something about strategy. Okay, danger. NS. Look, I'm telling you, this is some sort of father, sun dynamic going on. This is 51. Someone could be 51 or 15. Something started for someone at the age of 15. So we've got a mature man and a main male. There's danger here. Danger. Main male is clarifying danger. This main male is posing a threat to this mature man who is in the process of walking away. This is not what I wanted to, sudden wealth. So on the macro level, there is a energy of someone official that is trusting the wrong son, something about the wrong son. On the micro level, this could be a brother, an uncle. There's a patriarch here that is relinquishing power, walking away from a situation, a business, something like that. They could have already said that I'm not leaving you, you're getting cut out. So there's a main male here that is posing a danger to someone because they've been cut out of the money, cut out of inheritance, something like that, sudden wealth. And so they're up to some sort of scheme because they don't want to lose this wealth. They don't want to lose this power, this prestige. Something went wrong for someone at the age of 15. And it could have escalated at the age of 18 and then again at 22. Someone was in a lot of trouble at the age of 22 and they needed a parent who is in someone who's been in an official position for a very long time, bailed their son or daughter, a child out at the age of 22. I don't know what that could be for. Before. Something happened before. Something has happened again and it's happening again. So we're getting, there's something like the boat is being rocked from both sides. I don't know. Let's just keep going. Oh my gosh. Innocence. 15. Okay, so I just said 15. 15, 51, 15. So the number 15 is very significant. There's another wheel that's been put in motion on the date of 7/15, and it hasn't happened yet. 29. So I'm not in the 28, 29. So there's a sequence here. You're able to predict something. So you're coming into some new sort of intuitive gift where you can literally see the future very clearly. It's not your imagination. Something about mergers and acquisitions, waterlogged, balance. What's behind this? Someone's trying to deface your home. This is the number 20. And then we've got gifts here, 23. This card showed up in the last reading. I did shuffle. So there's someone that's trying to shuffle the cards when it comes to this house that is crumbling. Someone's got a last chance, a last shot. Someone's taking their last shot. Camouflage, boots on the ground, hunting. Someone's hunting. There's a hunter here. Innocence. Innocence. The Fool. Someone trusted a parent. This is weird. And it should be a parent to someone what's happening. So this could be a situation that is apparent to you. You understand what you have to do. It's heartbreaking. Innocence. This is landing on main male. Despair. So this main male is in despair because their plan didn't work. Danger. So someone is in despair because their plan didn't work. This could go the other way, spin the other way, where this main male is in despair because they know that they are in danger now of being found out. Oh. Well, holy moly. Okay, so someone that could have posed a danger to you is now in despair because they feel that they've been caught. You've caught someone. Poverty. They're very afraid of being poor, losing their freedom. Someone is in the process of losing their freedom. They're not as innocent as they pretend to be. Someone is not as innocent as they pretend to be. Innocence. False person. Ooh. Poverty. So there's some poser here. There's some poser that's acting like they got it going on and they don't. They're already poor. Bad investments. Bad investments is coming through. Let's get a card for child. Okay, and I just kind of recovered my energy because I really did want to bail on this reading somewhere around this mark when the child came out, and now I've got like a second win. Here we've got Six of Cups. It's kind of sideways. So we're talking about a family dynamic here. Someone that you have walked away from. It was a difficult choice to make. It was difficult to make. Something about no visitation. Someone's lost visitation when it comes to a child. Wow. Queen of Coins. Two of Cups. Someone sees you as a Queen of Coins. Two of Cups. You've got your defenses back up. The falling tower. Keep your defenses up behind the falling tower. We've got this Nine of Coin and then this Queen of Wands. So there is someone that is just surrounded by sharks and snakes and rabid bison. There's a lot of different moving parts to whatever this is. Someone is really having a difficult time trusting their own intuition because they've been betrayed by people closest to them. And so they are trying to think logically because they feel like their intuition has failed them. This could be you, or this could be someone external to you, or this could just be the energy of what's going on all around us. I keep getting camouflage. So there's something that's been hidden, but it's being seen by the masses. People aren't falling for the same old narratives over and over again, spinning the story just a little bit differently, trying to pull you in. Wise child here. Let's go back to this. Innocence, Six of Cups, innocence here. Child, we've got Queen of Swords. So there is a Queen of Swords energy. This could be you. You're thinking logically while maintaining your childlike innocence. You know that there's danger surrounding you right now. Now we've got this Queen of Coins. So if you're a feminine energy dealing with another feminine energy that you thought you could trust, this person is very deceptive. They wear many masks. You know this. You've got to make a decision. You could have already left this person and they're back again. Queen of Coins, Ten of Swords. Yeah. You stopped a betrayal, but it's back around. Something's back again because you're rebuilding yourself. You fell off that wall. You got knocked off a wall. And they thought you were going to stay down, but you came, you popped back up. Pop up. Someone wants to pop up on you again. Someone wants to go another round. Official person. Okay, so everything's pulling to this mature man here. This is the Four of Cups. It's kind of in the reverse. So we've got Four of Cups with the Six of Cups is a Ten of Cups. So someone is very much lopsided emotionally. Yeah, Four of Coins at the bottom, Nine of Swords. They have to let this go. Someone knows they have to let something go, and they have to just do it. So this could be you. You know you have to let something go. You can't think about it much more. It's your mind has run its course when it comes to options for whatever situation this is. The only thing you can do is move away. That's the only thing that you can do. So someone is certainly having difficulty maintaining their emotional balance with this Four of Cups in the reverse and this Six of Cups that's sideways. Let's get another card. Official person. Someone has a heat rash. I don't know where that's coming from. Okay, everything's coming here. This is odd. Eight of Coins, it's sideways. Someone doesn't want to work hard anymore. They're worn out. It's enough. Someone's had enough. They've put forth all they can do. The people they thought they could trust have betrayed them. They want out. And they don't want out. Okay, so whatever this could be too, someone knows that if they walk away, they're going to lose all their money. Like everything is on the line. Someone has everything on the line right now. But they're done. They don't have any more energy. They can't do it anymore. Whew. Okay, well, official person, let's try this again. Okay, the devil is kind of coming back over here. Something about someone's origin. They originate from the devil's spawn. I feel like there's somebody that's like the devil's spawn with this Queen of Swords here and this devil here. Oh my gosh, what the frick, man? Look at this. This is 15. This is 15. Innocence is 15. This 5 and this 1. This 1 has now moved away from the 5. So there's been this movement has already happened. So there's been a switching of camps. Someone that you trusted has gone to your opponent's side, working behind the scenes to take you down. The devil. I'm getting a wave. Somebody's nauseous. It's a wave of nauseous. This is going to make people sick. If this is some sort of global thing, it's going to make a lot of people very sick, like emotionally sick. And perhaps that's the point of it. Someone wants to make you emotionally sick. They're going to strike and try to get you at your absolute lowest point. Well, dog, what is this? 3 of coins, King of cups, Ace of swords, 7 of swords. So the truth is very distorted right now. This feels more external. I don't know what, yeah, let's just keep going. Let's go. I'm not getting anything for the official person. So I feel like for some scenarios, this official person is this mature man here. The same energy. Okay. Despair. Yeah. The hangman. Yep. Someone knows they're caught. This main male knows they're caught. Man or woman, take it how it might resonate for you. They've been caught red-handed. Someone's been caught red-handed. Whoa, that was a big crack, man. So there's been a crack. Something about a crack in the dimension. 2 of swords here. Now, okay, so I cracked the deck. The cards cracked. This is about the 4 of wands. The foundation is cracked. There's a crack in the foundation. This emperor here is landing over here with the 6 of cups going in the opposite direction. So this is about some sort of family dynamic, abandonment, something. This could be a father-son partnership job, or mother, daughter, whatever it is. There's been a division. There's a crack in the dimension. Something about cracking dimensions. You're cracking dimensions. 9 of swords. Geez. 9 of swords, 9 of swords. The number 99 could be significant. 4 of coins, the Hierophant. There's a crack in the dimensions. I don't even know what that means. Terror. 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 Terror is about to be unleashed. Well, these people are crazy. Someone is dealing with an absolute maniac. They've got nothing to lose because they're already hung up. Damn. Main male. Oh, that one on the floor, man. I don't feel like getting it, and I can't even see the damn card. Hold on. Oh my gosh. What the heck? 9 of clubs. This is what I'm saying. This is that energy, that defeated warrior. Like, it's the warrior that keeps going, but this one, there's somebody that feels defeated, okay? This 9 of clubs landed on the floor. I could barely see it, which, I mean, I can't see hardly anyway. Despair is already out, so someone just can't see. Someone can't see their way out of a situation. There's no way out. They're trapped. Yeah. Woo, Lord, they're trapped. Death. Look at that. Wow, so this is like House of Cards. This is like 10D chess. This is not 5D chess. This is 10D chess. Okay? Somebody did not understand the blowback. So this is spiritual blowback coming through. False person. This is many people. Yeah. Oh, Lord. Wheel of Fortune. Innocence. A time to play. Someone didn't take you seriously. Someone thought that they could play with you. Whoa. You walked away. And you could have felt foolish. I mean, this could be anything. This could be a job. This could be a relationship. Things were stacking up against you. You got worn out. You said, fine. Have it. Have at it. I'm out. And that's that Humpty Dumpty energy. You're back up, man. You're back up. Knight of Swords. You got some serious backup. Archangel Michael coming through. 5 of Cups. Some of you feel like you should have fought harder. You did what you had to do. So for anyone that's having regrets, you did what you had to do. And yeah, let's get one of these. See what the overall energy is coming through. So someone didn't know you were going to avert this danger, and now they're back again. Someone's re-strategized, but they don't realize that they're the ones playing 5D chess and you're at the 10th degree. Something about the 10th degree. Okay, Moonstone is what. So we're getting a lot of cards cracking. Again, this feels like some sort of crack in a dimension. I don't know what that means. Find your natural rhythm. Protective talisman for travelers. Some of you could be traveling. Dreamy, gazing. Earth goddesses, earth gods. So you are in your goddess God energy. The people that you've been keeping around, they don't have empathy, they don't have patience, and they don't have intuition. You got to let this go. These people go. Something about a passport. Someone's losing their passport. They're not going to be able to travel. Setting intentions that are aligning with your purest, life-affirming, inner child, nurturing calling. So we've got that inner child energy coming through quite heavily. Taking back your power, finding your natural rhythm. Someone has made a very foolish mistake. But whatever this is, you've landed on your feet. You might have taken some boops, I don't know what in the world is going on with my speech. Someone's speech is slurry, something about slurries, the furries. Another cracking, there's cracking, ruby, amber, Libyan, gold, tektite, tourmaline, quartz. So feed your fires, recharge your good vibes, banish the blahs. Someone who trashed you, you're banishing them. Someone feels banished from your energy. They're binge watching you. You've got your extra swagger, so you've picked yourself back up. Something about Lipstick Valley. I don't even know what that is. Someone who is has some sort of secret life. They're being outed. So you could be outing someone inadvertently. Yeah, here it is. Right here, vampires, victims and vampires. Someone really did think they had their teeth in your neck, man. They drew a little blood, but it wasn't enough to take you all the way down. Someone has really been relentless in trying to pull you in the gutter, back into the gutter. So whatever this is, at one point you were very much invested in someone else, and you might not have seen just how cruel and relentless this energy was, but now you do, and so you can't make any more excuses. You can't refuse. Someone has refused the hand of God, okay? Someone has refused the hand of God. Whew. Let's get a card for official person. I'm almost scared. Let's just go ahead. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Official person. He wants you to stay fat so no other men will be attracted to you. So this is someone that you were connected to that you had to get away from. You woke up. You woke up and did what you had to do. They want you to be out of shape, unattractive to anyone else, man or woman. They resent you. Could be a Queen of Swords involved, or you had to be this Queen of Swords for sure. And you could be feeling like this should have been obvious sooner. Why did I allow myself to go through all of this when I knew? But someone was being logical, or tried to be logical. Someone wants you to be logical again when it comes to them making a reappearance. Let's get another card for official person. Mergers and acquisitions is at the bottom. Okay, head of security. Whoa. Yeah, see, this is what I'm saying. I definitely am starting to read, it's not even timelines. It's just different narratives and how they're playing out that macro, micro level. There's some sort of convergence between the macro and micro levels. But this official person is head of security, okay? And remember, this is emotional or physical danger. So there is definitely some shady boots, okay? Shady boots on the ground. Mature man. Why is this mature man here? You are meant to be together. So someone feels that you're meant to be together. But this person wants you to stay, and they want you to stay unattractive. Someone could feel like you're unattractive to other people, or that's what they tried to convince you. Someone tried to convince you that you were unattractive to other people, but that's not true. He wants you to stay fat. I don't know where I got unattractive from. Stay fat. Stay fat. What does that mean? That doesn't mean literal stay fat. Let's get another card. He wants you to stay fat. No. I don't even know why I wrote this like this. So no other men. Men. So someone is aware that you have options. You've always had options. Stay fat. Okay, this is landing over here. You are meant to stay together. Marriage. So the marriage is sideways. Some of you, this could be a marriage that you've not yet walked away from. Someone wants to come back around. This person is indeed from your past. They're still the devil. He wants you to stay fat. Vow. Yeah. So there is the energy of someone that has savings. It's because you got money. Withdraw. Someone's been trying to make some illegal withdrawals from your savings account. Pride, relaxation, calm, apology. Someone could have already made some illegal withdrawals, transfers from your accounts. For the global narrative here, someone made some illegal transactions. Someone's being framed, set up when it comes to large transactions. Overseas, something about overseas transfers. Let's get another card for mature man. So there, India. Something about India. Mergers and acquisitions. It's got to do with some sort of currency. I guess this could be BRICS. There's a marriage. Someone could be from India. Traveling to India. I don't know what this is. This is interesting. India. Moonstone. Arranged marriage. Someone left before they could have an arranged marriage. Someone's leaving a marriage that was arranged. Deranged, something about derangement and arrangement. I don't know. Let's get a card for the devil. False imprisonment. Landed here with poverty too. So someone was held against their will until they conceded in some sort of plan. Or that's what they're going to say. Or someone has a plan to try to falsely imprison someone else. Something about entrapment. Someone you've walked away from wants to entrap you. False imprisonment, the hangman. I feel like these two energies go together. Why is despair here? Whoa. Ha. Okay, so some of you could be like a tarot reader. 15-minute cities allergic reading. You are loved and protected by forces under constant galactic surveillance. So there is someone, they could live literally 15 minutes away from you. Something about smart cities. So this is more global phenomena energy coming through, and I don't typically say global phenomena, but for some reason that's what this is with this unseen constant galactic surveillance. So it doesn't matter how many tarot readers someone goes to, the readings will always be false, allergic, they get sick. So anyone that tries to tap into your energy, they get sick. Didn't I say heat rash earlier? I think I did. So whoever tried to read your energy, tarot reader, devil, hangman, despair, they got tapped out, man. They got tapped out. 15-minute cities, smart cities. Interesting. False imprisonment. So I feel like these two go together too on that ACHONS scale. I don't know how to say that word. ACHONS? Action? It's not. Whatever, man. Good Lord. Okay, don't talk about me too bad in the comment section. I finally figured out how to hide. Hide comments, man. It's certain people coming in the thing talking the same stuff every time. They don't have nothing constructive. This is it. No, man. The rumors are true. Beware. So just be mindful. Be aware of your surroundings, because this is the danger card 29. Something could have kicked off in the year 1992. Meditate, seek solutions, seeking a solution. So someone has given up on trying to get these readings on you, because every time they do, they get very sick. So they're trying to come up with a new strategy. Someone could have already warned you of what this person has been doing behind the curtain. You're aware. Someone is realizing these rumors are true when it comes to who you are loved by, meaning the protection that is constantly surrounding you, forces that are unseen. This is kind of over here by this devil too, so this could work a couple of different ways. You've got these dark forces that have been protecting you since you were a child. Okay, you're the real deal, false person. You're the truth, okay? You're the truth. Failure is not an option. It's in the reverse here. Second opinion options are available also in the reverse. She lied on you to keep this man away. Ponzi scheme. So none of these schemes, everything that is being thrown at you gets thrown right back. This is things that could be happening in your life, or this is all energetic. Whatever it is, this is spiritual warfare. Something about being at your fondest. Someone's very fond of you. I think that's it. I'm just kind of like, someone feels like they just keep twirling around, winding back up at square one. Everything that they do to try to trap you gets knocked back. Something major is about to go down when it comes to this region. I don't know how, but it's got to do with an agreement here, because we got mirrors. Something, an agreement and a partnership. Someone could have traveled to India and they've been falsely imprisoned. They're in prison. Someone's being held against their will. All right, let's get some final angel messages here. Head of security. Healthy lifestyle. I think this card showed up recently. Eat a healthful diet, get adequate sleep, and exercise regularly for optimal health. Hangman. So I feel like this kind of is going with this false imprisonment. So there's someone being held against their will, and now we've got the moon cycles again. So something with the moon energy, because we've already got moonstone out. Notice how the moon affects your energy and manifestations and capitalize upon these cycles. So there could be the energy of someone that's trying to cause harm to your health using these moon cycles in some sort of manipulative manner. Let's get one more. Passion. Someone's been very passionate about slowing you down, but for you, you've been renewed. You're renewing yourself. Archangel Haniel, trust and follow your renewed passion in your love life and career. So yeah, all is well. Archangel Jeremiah, Meal, everything is happening exactly as it is supposed to. With hidden blessings, you will soon understand. So if something is feeling very overwhelming, you will soon understand why. So yeah, this was very much, there's convoluted energy here for sure, but whatever it is, you're fine. Ponzi scheme, tarot reader, the rumors are true, second options are available, failure is not an option. Someone knows failure is not an option for you, that you're going to keep going no matter what. They don't like this about you. So yeah, that's what I have, collective. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.